welcome to the channel. In Palworld, the overfull status is a condition where a pal engages in stress-induced overeating, leading to decreased efficiency and potential health issues. To cure overfull pal, use low-grade medical supplies. It's medicine. You can craft medicine in Palworld. You will need Medicine Workbench. Medieval Medicine Workbench can be unlocked at level 12. Then we have Medicine Rack that is unlocked at level 23. Then Electric Medicine Workbench. Then Advanced Medicine Workbench. So initially you can use this to make low-grade medical supplies. After you have created the medicine, feed pal. I have Advanced Medicine Workbench and I can craft all sorts of medical supplies and recovery meds by using this medicine workbench. This is Medieval Medicine Workbench. Different medicines require different ingredients. So after you have created the medicine, you can feed pal. Approach the pal, open interaction menu, press 4 on PC, select feed and choose medical supplies or medicine like this. For example, let's feed this pal. Like this. Placing the afflicted pal in the Palbox can gradually heal the overfull status over time, though this method is slower and renders the pal inactive during recovery. But these methods are manual. I automate the process. Pals will get overfull and sick, so I build this medicine rack and I store medicine in it. This is low-grade medical supplies, high-grade medical supplies, medical supplies. Sick or overfull pals come to this medicine rack and take whatever medicine they need and cure themselves without my involvement. This is best method. In every base, keep one of these and keep all sorts of medicines in it. Your pals will get medicine as they need. To prevent overfull, construct hot springs to help pals relax and restore sanity. Ensure each pal has access to fluffy bed for quality rest. Manage workload effectively. Ensure proper food is available at the base. If you have gold coins, you can buy medical supplies and all sorts of medicines from a wandering merchant. You can go to small settlement, go to this red wandering merchant. It sells these medicines. So you can purchase medicines if you cannot prepare them on your base. So this is how you can cure overfull pals in Palworld. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.